And you put the sushi mat aside itself. Right?
Okay, and here is a test of rolling sushi. So, two fingers, so just pressing down the rice as the chef recommended. A very thin line of rice at the edge to help stick the ends.
Start plating your gimbap rice. Sorry. Again, I mean, have as much
So
as you
that
can.
looks like a
I would
pretty
really
decently
love it if you
rolled
guys could try your own
kimbap.
kimbap.
Is my roll that seems ready to be cut.
Nice.
Recommended. The corners go out first. It's called the chef's portion apparently, and there it is. So the chef's portion is out of the way. Always allows you to taste something.
Nice.
Not bad at all for a first timer. Chef recommended that you make it into 6 pieces
Okay.
because kimbap has bigger portion size than sushi. Cutting it in the center, and here is how my beautiful Korean kimbap looks at this point. Speaking to you.